Hello students, welcome back to cloud computing classes. So today we will discuss about benefit of cloud or advantage and disadvantage of cloud. So cloud computing offer your business or work many benefits. It allows you to set up what is essentially a virtual office to give the flexibility of connectivity to your business anywhere and anytime. So there are many benefits to moving your business to the cloud. So I discuss about some point of benefit. First is cost saving or reduced IT cost. Second is scalability. Third is disaster recovery. Fourth is collaboration efficiency. Fifth is flexibility of work practice. Sixth is access to automatic update. Seventh is quick deployment. Eighth is unlimited storing capacity. Ninth is data security. And 10 is mobility. So first point is cost saving or reduced IT cost. So cost saving is the biggest benefit of cloud computing. It helps you to save substantial capital cost as it does not need any physical hardware investment. Also, you do not need trained personnel to maintain the hardware. The buying and managing of equipment is done by the cloud services. And second point is scalability. So different company, different IT needs. A large enterprise as a startup using cloud is a great solution because it enables enterprise to efficiently and quickly scale up and scale down their IT department according to business demand. And third is disaster recovery. So disaster recovery means data loss is a major concern for all organizations along with data security. Storing your data in the cloud guarantees that data is always available even if your equipment like laptop or PC is damaged. So cloud-based service provider quick data recovery for all kind of emergency scenario from natural disaster to power outage. So next point is fourth point. Fourth point is collaboration efficiency. The cloud computing platform help employees who are located in different geographical area to collaborate in a highly convenient and secure manner with friends and colleagues. For example, you have the ability to access data from home or on holiday or via the commute, do and from work. If you need access to your data while you are off-site, you can connect to your virtual office quickly and easily. And sixth point is access to automatic update. So, access to automatic updates for your IT requirement may be included in your services fee, depending on your cloud computing service provider. Your system will be regularly updated with the latest technology. And seventh point is quick deployment. So, cloud computing gives you the advantage of rapid deployment. So, when you decide to use the cloud, your entire system can be fully functional in very few minutes, although the amount of time taken depends on what kind of technology are used in your business. So, next point is 8 points, that is unlimited storage capacity. So, the cloud technology offer almost limitless storage capacity. At any time, you can quickly expand your storage capacity with very nominal monthly fees. And ninth point is data security. This is a very important point of the cloud. So, one of the major concerns of every business, regardless of size and industry, is the security of its data. Cloud offer many advanced security features that guarantee the data is securely stored and handled. Cloud storage providers implement baseline protection for their platform and the data they process, such authentication, access control, and encryption. So, next and last point is mobility. So, mobility means cloud computing technology allow mobile access to corporate data via smartphone or any devices. So, which is a great way to ensure that no one is even left out of the loop, stop with busy schedule, or who live a long way away from the. So there are some disadvantages of cloud. So you can say that issues or challenge of cloud. So first disadvantage is internet connectivity. Second is technical issues. Third is downtime. Fourth is lower bandwidth. Fifth is lack of support. So first point is internet connectivity. Good internet connectivity is a must in cloud computing. So you cannot access cloud without an internet connection. Moreover, you don't have any other way to gather data from cloud. Second point is technical issues. So technical issues means cloud technology is always prone to an outage and other technical issues. Even the best cloud service provider companies may face this type of trouble despite maintaining high standard of maintenance. And third point is downtime. So downtime means should also be considered while working with cloud computing. That's because your cloud provider may face power loss, low internet connectivity, and service maintenance extra. And fourth point is lower bandwidth. So lower bandwidth means that is many cloud storage service provider limit bandwidth uses of their users. So in case if your organization surpasses the given allowances, the additional charges could be significantly costly. And last point of lack of support. Cloud computing companies fails to provide proper support to the customer. Moreover, they want their user to depend on FAQ or online help, which can be tedious job for non-technical person.